Okay. Because of time limit, I had to stop the video. I'll continue here. So this is the example. They're asking you to find out how much is euro to pound. So let us follow the same chain rule. So here my intention is what? When I am applying euro to pound, so I have to find out how much is euro to pound. So here a and a should get it correctly. So I'm going to write it as 1 pound is equal to $1.5. So this is a, this is b. Again b, c. So your second equation is there. So $1.2 is equal to 1 euro. So b, c is done. Next is what? If I've written euro here, again euro should come here. 1 euro is equal to how many pounds? So CA. So is it correct? I hope it is clear to all. A, B, B, C, C, A. So here also I have got A and A. So the chain rule is correct. Therefore, how will you write? 1 into 1.2 into 1 divided by 1.5 into 1. So 1.2 divided by 1.5, you get 0.8. Therefore, 1 euro is equal to $0.8. Sorry, 1 euro is equal to 0.8 pounds. This is not dollars, it is pounds. So I hope it is clear to all. Let us see the second one, which is pound to euro. So pound to euro means you have to change the equation, because here we are starting with pound, here it is ending with pound. So that is why I did not change here. But from pound to euro, you should get euro here. So I have to start the equation with euro. So what I will do, the second equation I will write it as first one. So 1 euro is equal to $1.2. So AB. Here again when I write, it will be $1.5 is equal to 1 pound. So this will be BC. So 1 pound is equal to how many euros? So CA. So I have got euro on both. On the first also I have started with euro and I have ended with euro. So the rule is correct. So how will you do now? 1 into 1.5 into 1 divided by 1.2 into 1. So 1.5 divided by 1.2, you will get 1.25. What is that? 1 pound is equal to 1.25 euros. So this is how you have to calculate. Your only intention is these two should be equal. So to make this equal, you can change the rule. But A should be equal to B, B should be equal to C, and C should be equal to A. That you have to remember, okay? I will do a third problem. Now in the third problem, they have told 1 euro is equal to $0.8. 1 Swiss franc, SFR means Swiss franc, is equal to 0.75 euros. Therefore, I will write here. Therefore, you are supposed to find out how much is dollar to Swiss franc and how much is Swiss franc to dollar. How much is dollar to Swiss franc and how much is Swiss franc to dollar, you have to calculate, okay? So now let us start. First one, dollar to Swiss franc. Okay, now here how should I write? 1 euro is equal to $0.8. I'm just writing the question again. 1 Swiss franc is equal to 0.75 euros, and they're asking you how much is $1 for Swiss franc. Okay, this is what they are asking you. So what is my intention? My A and A should be equal. But here I am starting with euro and here I am ending with Swiss franc. So what I will do, I will write the second equation first. So when I write the second equation, 1 Swiss franc is equal to 0.75 euros. So this is A, this is B. Again I should start with euros. That is this first equation. I will not change it because left hand side there is only euro. So 1 euro is equal to $0.8. So this is B, this is C. Since here I have written dollars, here also I should write dollars. So it will be $1 is equal to how many Swiss franc? So this is C and this is A. So here I have started with Swiss franc and here I am ending it with Swiss franc. Therefore, how will your equation be? 1 into 1 into 1 divided by 0.75 into 0.8. 0.75 into 0.8, you get 0.6. So 1 divided by 0.6, you will get 1.67. So therefore $1 is equal to $1 is equal to 1.67 Swiss franc. Okay, so first one is done. Next one is what? How much is Swiss franc to dollar? That is they are asking you. So in this case, how will you find out your B? Swiss franc to dollar means, I'll write the question again. 1 euro is equal to $0.8. 1 Swiss franc is equal to 0.75 euros. Now in the question they are asking you to calculate how much is 1 Swiss franc for a dollar. This is the question. So here and here it should be equal. Second equation also it is not starting with dollar. But here in the first equation you can just reverse it and write. So how will I write here? Dollar 0.8 is equal to 1 euro. Since I have started here with euro, I have to start here also euro. So I will interchange this equation as 0.75 euros is equal to 1 Swiss franc. So it becomes BC. So here 1 Swiss franc is equal to how many dollars? So this obviously gets back to my question. How much is 1 Swiss franc for a dollar? So here it will be 0.8 into 0.75 into 1 divided by 1 into 1. So 0.8 into 0.75, you will get 0.6. Therefore, 1 Swiss franc is equal to $0.6. This is how you have to write, okay? The problem is very simple, provided you understand this chain rule, okay? So having said this, I will give you a problem and you have to do that problem. Fourth one, okay? Fourth problem, I am just going to write it as find cross rate, okay? The equation is $1 is equal to rupees 63.5. $1 is equal to 0.7490 euros. Okay, find out euro to rupees and rupees to euro. Okay, I hope the question is clear to all. $1 is 63.5 rupees. Again, $1 is 0.7490 euros. You should find out how much is euro to rupees and how much is rupees to euro. Okay, same chain rule you have to apply and then you have to find out. So do this question and then give me the answer in the WhatsApp group. Not in the WhatsApp group, type the answer and send it to my personal number, what answer you have got. Now I am telling you again, if you have not understood this, text me personally or call me to my personal number. I will explain you again, because this is a simple problem and definitely you will get it for your multiple choice question. So do not skip this problems. Try to understand it. If you have any doubts in any step, you can ask me, I'll clear it out.